Hello and Namaste. I am Bhola Khatiwada from Nepal. I am a member of Global Farmer Network. Now I am in our farming area. You can see more than 600 kiwi fruits is planting here. More than 200 plant will giving us to good quality of kiwi fruits. Around 2.5 hectares is covered by kiwi fruits plant. We can harvest during the September October month is very best. This time is raining season, so that there is no need to uh, other irrigation system. Otherwise winter season we should use drip irrigation. You can see drip irrigation system in our farming. This area is paddy planting area. Yes, we can see our buffaloes. Here is another buffaloes. We have 10 buffaloes is in here. This is farmhouse. Then north side of our farming, west side of our farming, south side of our farming. Kiwi fruits will give us around 50 kilo per plant, and we have another product is milk. I already mentioned that. Then another product is fish also. Here is pond for fish farming. You can see their fish. I think you saw our farming activities. I hope that you will provide us suggestion how to improve our farming activities. Thank you so much.